Hello everyone, if you are looking for free video editing software, you come to the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 best free video editing, both online and PC. The first website is Clipcham. It is owned by Microsoft. In this website, you just sign up with Microsoft account or Gmail or your email. You can get started, and there are ton of features. You can edit your video for everyone, or you can even screenshot, or you can even record your screen with webcam on the website, or you can download the software to install your PC and you can work on, and you can upload your work up to fully. They have and you can trim, you can add stock image or transition, a lot of text size, remove and upload in full HD. The second website is CapCut. CapCut is free online video editor. Also, you can download this software direct to install on your PC, and then you can work on. It has text to speech, speech to text, transcribe or remove background, filter, text overlay, music, a lot of free feature that you can work on it. Or even you have online storage here up to 1000 gig, and also collaborate with friends or export in up to 4K free. The last one is Canva. Canva not only a free video editing, but you can do social media design and posting, anything related to design you can do in Canva. Also edit a video, a ton of template and you can upload, and even you have a screen record and webcam directly on the website, or you can download Canva application to your computer or tablet and working on it. Okay, hope you learned something from the video.